Hello, in this lesson we're going to learn how to create a neoclassical fireplace. So if you want to get started, go ahead and open up neoclassical fireplace. Okay, I'm going to jump into my perspective. I've already brought in some reference images. I've already changed the transparency. You should definitely know how to do that by now because we've done it several times in class. Okay, so the concept here is what I'm going to do is I'm going to trace this one here, and I'm going to trace this here, and I'm going to run a sweep one rail to get some detailing, or to get a cornice. Okay, so I think the first thing I'm going to do is I've got two different objects here, and they're on different layers. I'm going to go ahead and hide this back one, and now I'm just going to work in the what I believe is the right side. Okay, and I'm just going to trace this top area right here. Okay, so I'm going to grab a combination of a polyline and a control point curve, and I'm going to start. I'm actually going to go down to 0, and I'm going to go up here just so I can have somewhere to snap to. Alright, and I'm going to hit enter, and now I'm going to do a space bar, and I'm going to fairly quickly just add a few objects in here. Space bar again, and I don't know where this stops or starts, so I'm just going to stop right there, and I'm just going to say that this goes down like that. And all I'm doing right now is just really quickly grabbing things that I believe are straight lines. Okay, and that's basically going to simplify everything that it is that I'm doing. Alright, I'm not going to get this bottom part here. I am going to, however, get one more straight line so I know where to stop and start. So I'm going to click here, hold my shift, and then stop. Okay, now what I'm going to start to do is use my control point curve, and I can be fairly nonchalant here while I'm doing this. And I'm also stopping in the middle of some of these things. Now here I want this part to be moderately straight, so I'm going to go ahead and when I say stopping, I mean I'm doing one control point curve, and then I'm stopping and I'm starting another one. I want this to be fairly straight, so I'm holding down my shift, 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to let go of shift and put a couple control points pretty close together, and give a nice curve up here, and then I'm going to stop, hit enter, and I'm going to repeat the same thing here. Hold down shift, and now I'm going to go up, hold down shift, and now kind of a gentle curve, hit enter, same thing here, maybe see if I can do it in 4 points. Alright, and I'm going to give this kind of a gentle curve as well. I'm going to hold down shift and stop right there and hit enter. In fact, I think that this part of the fireplace might stretch out a little bit more, just like that. There we go. And I'm going to fillet this whole thing in just a moment. Okay, I'm going to stop the lesson right here because we've only got a few minutes that we can record before it gets to be too full for the website. So I'm going to go ahead and there's one more spot up here I need to get. Here, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and hit enter. Alright, I'm going to stop the lesson here, and in the next one I'm going to fix the curves up a little bit. Thanks.